Hi guys, it's me again. I'm not feeling very well today, hence my very low and sexy voice. But I am here in the Yuen Po Street Bird Garden, which is a very famous Hong Kong attraction in Kowloon, in Mong Kok, pretty much right around the corner from where I'm staying. And I thought I would give you guys a brief walking tour because I realized as I was taking pictures that the pictures really don't do it justice, but if you guys can hear the birds making their bird calls while I'm walking around, that would definitely do more justice. So here's some beautiful parakeets and things. I'm not quite sure what kinds of birds these are. This is unusual that there are so many in one cage. But let's walk around a little bit and you guys can get an idea of what this place is like. Look at that guy. Very, very cool. Very pretty. This particular stretch of the bird garden is not particularly busy or overly populated with birds, but that's going to change in just a minute when we go in a different section. Sorry it's a little dark here. It's actually just the lighting and the combination with my not the best camera in my cell phone. Okay. Oh, there's a free little guy. He just lives around here. He's not in a cage.
Off that main street, which is right down here. Okay, I got it. We'll ask somebody in the window.
As you guys can hear, this is a bit of a tourist attraction. I've seen more white people here this morning than I have in days at a time in the past. But look at this guy; he's beautiful. Wow. That's a guy who's selling a whole bunch of grasshoppers and things to feed the birds. That's pretty awesome. Now we're going to walk in into a much more densely birdly populated area. There we go. These guys are probably for sale since they're not really in show cages.
There's also lots and lots of poo-poos in there. Look at all the poo-poos in there. Hello, who's in that one?
Not particularly happy to be in such a small cage, I'm guessing. Here's some parakeets and parrots. Oh, look, that one was playing with the other one. Preening it, cleaning it. Oh, that's fun. No. Oh.
What'd you say? Oh.
Ooh, yummy. More grasshoppers and various food for the birds, different size grasshoppers. That's awesome. Okay. I don't imagine any of these birds is very happy to be in these cages. They probably envy this little guy who is a local bird who is just popping around outside the cage, just saying howdy to all the caged birds. Oh, these guys are really pretty. Oh. Yeah.
What you doing, huh? Hello. Oh. What that thing?
Let's walk through this other area here where they have things for sale, and then we'll sign off for the moment. There's some beautiful, beautiful cages. Look at the workmanship on these, handmade from bamboo, it looks like. It's really just amazing. And that's about it. Thanks for watching. Please check out my blog at www.speakmanylanguages.com, and hopefully I'll be feeling better in the next day or so, thanks to the miracle of Tamiflu, the wonderful medication prescribed for me in advance of my trip by my New York primary care doctor, just in case I would get sick while I am away. And we'll check in with you guys again sometime soon. Thanks again for watching.